Hi, my name is Megan Bria, and this is my online presentation assignment. Some of my hobbies include playing volleyball, watching hockey, traveling, and participating in the Early Childhood Education Club. I have played club volleyball for about 5 years, school volleyball for all 4 years of high school, and during my time in high school, I was part of the Early Childhood Education program and got to learn and experience what it was like to be a preschool assistant teacher. Some of my more notable achievements include multiple certifications from the Florida Department of Children and Families, the Varsity Volleyball Coaches Award, graduating from the Sunrise Leadership Academy, graduating high school with an above 3.0 GPA, and getting on the Broward College's Dean's List in the summer semester. In this new student experience course, I hope to discover my true career objectives as well as learn more about various professions and career options to better tailor my career search. I would like to apply my realistic experience working as a preschool assistant teacher to other professions. This way, I will be able to understand much better what jobs entail. Something personal I want to share with my instructor about online learning is how I have discovered that I gain advantages from aspects of both personal and online learning. My time management helps me thrive in an online setting because I am responsible enough to know when and how I should do my work. Class participation is the only challenge I face in school because I would rather listen to my teacher and keep to myself. Oddly enough, I really do like the social aspect of in-person school and talking to my friends on my own time.